A Brookie ice cream sandwich. This is going to be so good, you guys. It's not something you're gonna find on the ice cream truck. Let me show you. Make sure you're filling every empty space so that the batter is touching the cookie dough, and then this is all gonna melt together and form one nice layer. This is gonna be the base of our sandwich. I'm gonna go in with some caramel sauce now. It's gonna add a nice saltiness to the sweetness. We wanna get that all mixed in nice. I'm just going through here with a toothpick. Just give it a light swirl. Not too much because we still want to taste the difference in each bite. Into the oven we go. I'm gonna bake this and pop it right out. Just cut it in half to get equal sides of our sandwich. We have a top and a bottom here. I'm gonna take this one and just place it off to the side, and then come through with our scoops of vanilla ice cream a la mode, and right on top with our top layer. Look at that sandwich, delicious. Push down to get a nice seal on there, and now I'm gonna go right across the top with some more caramel sauce, because who doesn't love extra caramel sauce? And then off across the top with our sliced pecans. It's gonna give a little bit of crunchiness to this sandwich. Delicious. Enjoy, guys. Now right into our kid recipe here, we're gonna make a cookie brownie Brookie Cheetah. So I'm putting my brownie balls on the bottom here and just gonna go through each one with my brownie batter, piping through, making sure not to miss any spots. You wanna get this all connected as well. And we're just gonna give it a little smoothing here. Make sure there's no loose ends. Smooth all that over. Now I'm going to top each of our cookie dough balls with a few extra chocolate chips. These are gonna be the spots of our cheetah. Have her looking good. Into the oven we go. And now we're gonna finish off this cheetah. She needs ears. We're gonna use a marshmallow as the outer part of her nose. This is just chocolate that I dyed with some organic food coloring. Now I'm going to use some more melted chocolate here to start filling in her eyes. Again, I used organic food coloring to get that shade of orange. I've got to make a little eyeball here, so I'm just going to use some milk chocolate and another chocolate chip to accentuate the pupil of the eye. And then in with some Pockies. You can find those Pocky sticks at the store. We're just going to use those as the whisker. And then making the ears with a little more chocolate. And there she is, our beautiful cheetah ready for the zoo.